Imagine your ultimate bias, the idol you have spent years supporting, it suddenly becomes the prime suspect in a brutal murder case. Would you still believe in them, or would you be the one to put them behind bars? That is the wild premise of the upcoming K-drama Idol Eye. And after seeing the latest trailers, I am officially obsessed with this tone shift. It's half sparkling K-pop dream, half legal nightmare. Let's break down why this might be the most unique drama of the winter. So, this new upcoming K-drama Idol Eye is played by Choi Soo-young and Kim Jae-young. This drama is set to premiere on December 22nd on Netflix and Viki in selected regions. It's a mix of mystery, courtroom romance, and surprisingly some very relatable fangirl comedy. Idol Eye follows Mang Se-na, a high-powered lawyer with a secret that could ruin her career if it ever got out. She is a top-tier fangirl for a group called Gold Boys, but when her biased Dora Ik is arrested for murder, she has to choose between her professional reputation and her 10-year devotion. This plot goes deep, so let's look at the characters and the mystery. First, let's talk about Mang Se-na. The public knows her as the lawyer for villains. She takes the cases no one else wants, the ones where the public has already decided the person is guilty. She is virtuous, but she is tough. But here is the twist. She has been a Gold Boy fan for a decade. Imagine the internal conflict. When Dora Ik gets embroiled in this murder case, she takes his defense but conceals her admiration. She has to be the most objective person in the room while being the one person who cares the most. The trailer shows her trying to maintain that Ice Queen persona while literally trying to save her favorite person's life. Then we have Dora Ik. This character description is fascinating. He's the visual center and vocalist. But the plot tells us he has been hiding a deep darkness. He felt the love of fans was a heavy burden and the stage no longer brought him joy. The murder case is his breaking point. The teaser hints that once his life is turned upside down, he throws away his mask. He stops being the perfect idol and starts living as if there is no tomorrow. I am so excited to see Kim Jae-young play this shift from a sparkling idol to a man with nothing left to lose. Is he innocent? Or is the unexpected truth something much darker than we think? Firstly, the concept is fresh. This isn't your usual idol romance drama. It actually explores fandom obsession, public image versus real life, and how quickly society turns on celebrities. Second, the genre mix is interesting. You get legal drama, mystery, emotional conflict, and slow burn romance all in one. And lastly, Choi Soo-young's real-life idol background adds authenticity. You can tell this story is written with real understanding of idol culture. Overall, Idol Eye looks like a strong emotional drama with a unique premise. If you enjoy idol-centric stories, courtroom tension, emotional slow-burn romance, and dark mysteries, then these dramas should definitely be on your watch list. The drama is going to break our hearts. Seeing a fan realize their idol is a flawed, potentially dangerous human being is a heavy theme. Do you think Dora Ik is actually innocent, or did he finally snap under the pressure of the spotlight?